Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is I got a UAE client to run ads for calls. He asked me to use my Google Ads account. Okay. So I created a new account and added 5k PKR Pakistani rupee daily budget. The first 2 days it got one click and no calls. He says I have another team who is giving him calls from the first day with new account and cost 1000 PKR per click. His ad shows on top whereas mine shows after a few organic results. How can I improve the results, or is he lying? Google takes time as per my experience and initial clicks are blue clicks. Am I wrong? Okay. Uh, I'm not sure that the initial clicks are boot clicks. How are you claiming this? This is not necessarily true that you are getting boot clicks, and if in case if there are boot, there can be boot visitors on your page, but you do not have to pay for those visitors. There can be another scenario where someone is clicking on your ad, but idealizing or identifying or assuming just on the basis of a single click is, I feel, as a very poor option to decide on. We need some data. And as far as you are saying that he has another team who got him call, and because you also he is looking for calls, so rather creating a search campaign, why don't you create a call specific search campaign? Because with the call campaign there are much more likely chances that people are gonna click, because the call ads are have the direct phone number added being on the shown on the top of the ad. So that can enhances the chances of more clicks. So I believe that you should work on creating a call campaign, optimizing your quality score. Now, regarding you saying that his ad shows on top whereas mine shows after a few organic results. Okay, if you are seeing it or if users are seeing, there are two different scenarios. If you are seeing it and you are seeing on that bottom, that is not important, because you may not click on your ad, and eventually Google will know that this guy is not going to click on this ad without assuming that this is your own ad. So Google is not going to show you your ad on the top. So I believe that there is another bidding strategy as well, where you can show your ad on absolute top of the page. You can use that strategy, but that is going to cost you more. Plus, use clicks. And let me show you so you guys have an idea on what I am talking on, and that can, I think, help you a lot in optimizing your campaigns. Just a second. Here I am in one of the simple ads account, and I'm going to show you what a call campaign is. Here it says is a call campaign, and in the call campaign you can see that uh, I mean the phone number is being written on the top, so which makes it very easy that the people can just have to click on that, and that can generate results for them. And now moving on to your question regarding if your ad is not being shown on the top, there can be another strategy as well which you can use. For instance, we are using in this strategy, this campaign, just have to move over to the settings, and in the settings, once the settings gets loaded, pardon me for the slow internet over here, you can see over here the target bidding, the target impression share, and here you can see that it's on anywhere on result page. Here you can select the top of result page or absolute top of the result page, and this way you have a chance that your ad will only be shown on the top of the page but not on the footer. So in case if you want to make sure that your ad is being shown on the top of the page, select this one or this one. But again, this is going to be more costly, but your ad will be shown on the top, and I again think that you need more data to decide on. So we may need more data. And as far as click frauds are concerned, there are many softwares available such as ClickGuard, which you can use in case if you are concerned regarding click fraud. But from this data, I believe that there are no click frauds happening at the moment. It's just a simple click. We need more data to decide on. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to like the strategies I have discussed in this video to optimize your campaign and get more sales. So in case if you need help regarding setting up of a perfect Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO campaign, or Bing ads, or you want to design a website for yourself or for your clients, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is simply click on the link in the description to get started with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.